everyone, welcome to Amarjyoti's Crochet World. I am here with my second part of making this beautiful cute angel. In the first part we had done this beautiful cute body, that is the head and the dress of this small angel amigurumi. In this part we are going to work for the wings. So for making wings we are using these white 4-ply yarn. Again the crochet hook will be 3.0 mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle and a pair of scissors to cut the ends. So first of all let's begin making it. Let me tell you a trick for this. As I have done already one wing for this, I have sewed all the ends and then it is clearly complete. So for making the second wing you will also do this. Please leave an end of 12 to 14 inches and then start your work. This will be work for sewing both the wings together and then attaching it to your angel. So leave a 12 to 14 inches of tail and then start making 4 chain like this. I have left this much chain, space for tail for this sewing work, and then I have started my work. So chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. With making this wing we have done 4 chains. First 3 chains will be considered as a double crochet, and in the 4th chain we are going to work 2 more double crochet. 1 and 2. In the 4th chain I have made 2 double crochet. So in total we are having 3 double crochet. 1 is chain 3 and 2 are the double crochets. And then for the second round, chain 3. Turn your work. In the same space make another double crochet. In the second double crochet make 2 double crochet. In the last, that is chain 3 of last round, make 2 double crochet on the 3rd chain. 1 and 2. So total we have 6 double crochet in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 double crochet. Round number 3, chain 3. Turn your work. 1 double crochet in the same space. These are 2 double crochet in the first stitch and 1 double crochet in the next, 2 in the next, again 2 double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet in the second last, and on the last chain 3, on the 3rd chain from the starting, that is, make 2 double crochet. So in round number 3 we have done chain 3, that is considered as our first double crochet, second double crochet in the same space, 1 double crochet in the next, 2 in the next, 2 in the next, 1 in the last, second last, and in the last chain 3 make 2 double crochet. And this is our round number 3. In round number 4, chain 3, turn your work, double crochet in the same stitch. Now chain 1, double crochet in the next, chain 1, double crochet in the next, chain 1, double crochet in the next, chain 1. So for round number 4 we are going to have 2 double crochet in the first and last stitches, and in between the stitches chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. This will be the sequence. Chain 1 and a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, and a double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet in the last second stitch, chain 1, and on the chain 3 of last round, the third chain, make 2 double crochet. Till here our wing is done. Now I am going to work in the last round. Not last, I'll say it's the second last. So for this, make chain 1 and turn your work. In each of the stitches, make a single crochet. In the first chain 3 space, in the first where we have done this chain 1, make a single crochet in the same space. In the second double crochet, make a single crochet. Now we have a chain 1 space. In this space we are going to work 1 single crochet, and now we are going to have a single crochet on this double crochet, single crochet in between the space, single crochet on the double crochet, single crochet in between the chain 1 space. Now this will be our sequence: single crochet on the double crochet, single crochet in between 2 double crochet where there is a chain 1 space, single crochet on the double crochet, single crochet in between 2 double crochet, single crochet here and a single crochet in chain 1 space, single crochet on the double crochet, single crochet in between the space, single crochet on the double crochet stitch, and single crochet on the chain 1 space, single crochet on the double crochet and single crochet in between the 2 double crochet. Now we are going to have 2 double crochet at the end. Make 2 single crochet over here, 1 on the double crochet and 1 on the chain 3, like this. Chain 1, turn your work. Now this will be our last round. I have done chain 1. In the same space, make a slip stitch, chain 1. In the next stitch, make a slip stitch, chain 1. In the next stitch, make a slip stitch, chain 1. In the next stitch, make a slip stitch. This makes a design like this: chain 1, slip stitch in the next, chain 1, slip stitch in the next, chain 1, slip stitch in the next. So this is the sequence till end of this round: chain 1, slip stitch in the next, 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 chain 1, slip stitch, 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 chain 1. In the last round, make 2 slip stitches like this. Now we are going to turn this side. Now here you will see a space like this. We are working here. Here is the double crochet. So in between there is a space like this. So I am going to work 1 chain 1 and 1 slip stitch in between this, and chain 1 and 1 slip stitch, chain 1, 1 second slip stitch in the double crochet. 2 stitches like this in between the double crochet, and both between 2 double crochets there is a space of row change, row connection. There we will be working 1 stitch like this. So chain 1 in between the 2 rows, slip stitch, chain 1. Now there is a double crochet, so make 2 stitches like this, 1 2, chain 1, and now in the in between the 2 rows there is a space. I am going to work like this, slip stitch, chain 1. Now in the double crochet make 2 slip stitches with chain 1, and again a row change, make a slip stitch, chain 1, the last round, chain 1, slip stitch. Now we are having the starting chain. Here I am going to make 2 stitches like this, 1 and 2. Now bring the tail at the back side, and then we are having the double crochet on the other side. So make chain 1 and make 2 stitches like that, chain 1 and slip stitch. The 2 are done, chain 1, and now the row change stitch. Then again the double crochet. Here I am going to work 2 stitches like this, again chain 1, the row change stitch, again the double crochet, 2 stitches I am going to make here, and then in the row change stitch I am going to work like this, and then again the double crochet, again there is a row change, chain 1. Now there is a single crochet. In the single crochet, slip stitch and chain 1. Now the first stitch we have reached. Now in this first stitch make a slip stitch, chain 1 and finish it off. Your wing is ready like this. Now take your tapestry needle and hide this end. Okay, now let us hide this end in between the wings. Cut the extra yarn. This is the back side of the wing, and this is the front side of the wing, and here also this is the front side and this is the back side. Now what I am going to do is just overlapping the first rounds on each other and then stitching both the wings together with the help of your tapestry needle. Just overlap first rounds of both the wings and then sew them tightly. Okay, I have attached both the wings. Now this is the wrong side and this is the right side. So right side will be facing in the front like this, and the wrong side will be facing at the back. So you can see where we have made single crochet, means where the row ends and we make a slip stitch and chain 1. There is a line formed, you can see on your angel's body, angel's dress. There we are going to attach it. So right side will be facing towards you like this. And sew on the line that I told you. That line has been formed. Start stitching it, wings on the body. I'm attaching about the second row also on both the sides, so this will become a bit more strong, so it will not get bent to any side. Okay, now this side is done. Come to this side and attach this this much to this side also. Tie 1 or 2 knots to secure it properly, and then hide the ends in between the stitches and at the back of the body, and then cut the extra yarn. This is done. Your beautiful small angel amigurumi is ready. So beautiful, so cute. These angels are done. Beautiful angels ready to fly and ready to decorate your beautiful Christmas tree this year. Hope you like my video on these beautiful angel amigurumi. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification for every new upload that I make. So please like my channel, please subscribe my channel, please share my videos and keep loving. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.